This 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee is brought to you by Next Step Auto Sales LC, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, 3.6-liter engine, and has 86,297 miles. Adventure awaits. Explore in style with this 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Low miles, great value. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.